You know, it's not only cricket. India is so much more. Yeah, and that's coming up. So we kind of consider ourselves the soldiers of the next chapter within the entertainment side, which I think is very important to keep, to stay with the times, inspire people, tell lovely stories, share lovely music, and keep people out of trouble, of course. So we call ourselves, so we are getting ready for the Olympics. As the Indian team, you know, when we go overseas, nobody takes care of, you know, who's throwing the javelin or who's, you know, the next, 100-meter dash, who's the next swimming champion, you know. Our country really needs the trainers, the visionaries, and the infrastructure and support to help our people reach international stardom. Yeah, it also helps in making sustainable careers, inspire the next set of people. It's a lot. I mean, it affects the whole country, you know. So we think that we are, no, we don't think. We have set up the infrastructure to curate, produce, manage, and distribute music, artists, content. It's kind of like the next chapter of what Disney had started out doing. So we are committed to do that, and there are a lot of people here in this room who have supported us in this journey, emotionally, financially. I can go on and on. And those who are here, you know who you are, and continue to be. So we cannot do this ourselves. We may have just started something, but we were inspired from the people who started it before, but we are committed to make sure that it carries on and it stays here in perpetuity now. So Bollywood has to watch out because the next set of music creators are coming that are going to shake Bollywood, yeah, and maybe become bigger than Bollywood. Then, you know, then we'll be doing something. And Bollywood doesn't care about what's happening otherwise. Bollywood is a fantastic setup that entertains people and does such a fantastic job. It is the independents who think they are the stepchild of Bollywood, let me tell you. The independents have a voice, they have to be driven, they have got to make their own space. So if the times are challenging, it doesn't matter. We are all sure that we're going to make it. Recently at a conference, we found out that for YouTube and Google, India is actually become the largest consumer of music, English content, movies, English, than America and Europe. So India has the largest number of even the English consumers. There's so many people within urban India who think, live, and dream in English. It's time to present our artists, our Avantis, who are coming up to center stage Grammys, to get center stage right in the middle of the world, in the Super Bowls. They have to fight their place with the Beyoncés and Rihannas and come back home with their trophies, you know. And we have committed to do that. And within 1 to 2 years, you will see not just one, you're going to see many of them. Because, like I say, we proclaimed it to the universe. And we have set up the stage, so it's not talk. So people who have been in and around us and have supported us with their love and best wishes, it's all a reality today. We've actually set up our network overseas. We are going to make our name, and we're going to make a big dent in the timeline now. So it's also about making successful careers for all the creators, you know, even with respect to copyright, with songwriters. Avanti's written these songs herself. You know, there are a lot of other artists for whom songs are written, you know, and it's a good time over here that once the independent voice in India starts coming up, it will be a big industry by itself. I think once we come back with a couple of Grammys, when we meet the Prime Minister, we'll be taken more seriously. So right now the current mantra is simplify and amplify. And as Ranjit very correctly pointed out, you know, I'm going to call on my better half. Yeah, so flying carpet, I would say the boss. The better half is Ujjwala Manchanda. Now this is another young, driven woman of our times. You know, a CA topper, best lady candidate across the country, holds the President's Medal. But unfortunately, that doesn't get glorified like how things get glorified otherwise. But she's been all glory for me. So please.
Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Ujjwala Manchanda.
She actually wanted to become a filmmaker, but through family went into becoming a CA, and of course got into corporate strategy. And now we are busy raising capital for this initiative, which is already past its first round. So if there are some investors around here, Ujjwala is a good person to meet because you will be riding the wave of your life with this chapter, with this young little company. So I will actually hand over the mic to Ujjwala. I would like to say thanks to a few people who have worked with Avanti closely. Sagar, Lionel Krasta, as Ranjit says, my co-conspirator, has worked on all the songs as a co-producer. Lionel, you can come up, please. This is Young India. They are going to be picking up the Grammys, so watch them today, shake hands today. Aman Morone, a big part of the Flying Carpet family, handles our institute. Also recently awarded the best producer for Alif's album, one of our artists, and has worked very closely with Avanti over the last couple of years. We have a young musician, Aditya, Mr. Bandakar. He's been working most closely with Avanti over the last 2 to 3 years, from concerts to getting the gigs going at the festivals, getting all the music ready on short notice. And this guy, and you know what, these two are from Nagpur, and a good part of our team is from Nagpur. I don't know why. There's something happening in Nagpur. So keep an eye on it. Vikram for the lovely photographs across, and that some of you have seen, and that will keep coming. Thank you so much, Vikram. Hey, thanks a lot. Please, if you can, please, you're part of the core team. I'd like to thank another young cathedralite. Okay. Who's done the artwork? For Avanti, also a young songwriter, and does very good with visual art. One of our friends, Sagar, who's not here today, he's taken ill, but he's here in India now. He sends his best wishes. Yeah, so, I mean, there are many others who have worked and continue to, they're around the room. But thanks so much for coming in today. I will leave the mic with Ujjwala, and she's the boss of Flying Carpet Productions. Though many of you don't see her, she's been instrumental in making a lot of things and a lot of these dreams come true in time. There was a lovely message that came by which says, there are some decisions which are not taken in time, you know, and those good decisions are actually bad decisions. So, Ujjwala, thanks. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for such a heartfelt introduction. And Ranjit, thank you so much for your kind words. You have seen what a lot of people may not be able to see, and I can only thank you for all that you've said.
I live with a better heart.
But I think a lot of what I may have wanted to say has already been said, so I would not like to take too much time. But I want to tell you all that Avanti is truly a role model. She's a role model for young people in every way possible. Not only is she immaculate in her academics, being a freshman at Harvard just now, but she is pursuing a double degree at Berklee School of Music. And as we can see, with her music, she is on her way to soar. And I am very, very happy to be a part of this journey. And I'm not just happy, but I'm most grateful to be a part of this journey with Avanti, with Ashish, and Flying Carpet Productions. So I would like to end by saying a dialogue from my favorite movie, Star Trek 2009, that the only emotion, the only human emotion I experience today is that of gratitude. Live long and prosper.
Can we have the Flying Carpet team down? Avanti, you stay there because we need to have a little chat about something that we're going to see right now. Actually, you know what? Before we talk anymore, I know we've kept her standing on stage and she's not said a word for the last 10 minutes, okay? There's a reason for that, because we want you to see something before she says anything more about what we want you to see today. The reason that you guys are here. The first ever virtual reality music video made by an Indian artist, possibly the first in South Asia. Are you guys ready for it? Listen, I know there's no alcohol right now, but you can still make some noise. Are you ready to see the video? There you go. 5 people screamed out. I'm hoping the people back there, I think the press has gone back. Come on. Let me hear it from you guys once again. Are you ready for the video? Okay.
So we are going to see a 2D version of the video right now. Okay, the 3D version, Mihir will tell you how you can experience the VR immersive eye pop experience, as Avanti would say. And